Ikaw mali pa yun, ako mali pa yun, kitang tanan mali pa yun. Ikaw mali pa yun,
The most interesting thing about woodpeckers is their ability to peck at trees with incredible speed and force without injuring themselves. They can strike wood at up to 20 times per second thanks to a specialized skull structure that acts as a shock absorber. Their strong neck muscles, thick skull bones, and spongy tissue around the brain protect them from concussions, allowing them to chisel out wood in search of insects or to create nesting cavities. Additionally, their long, sticky tongues help them extract insects from deep within the bark. Tongue length and specialization. Woodpeckers have extremely long tongues, sometimes up to 3 times the length of their beak. The tongue is often barbed or sticky, helping them catch insects from crevices in trees. Woodpeckers create holes in trees to make their nests, providing a safe haven for their eggs. These cavities can also benefit other animals, as once abandoned, they become homes for other birds and small mammals. Woodpeckers primarily eat insects, especially wood-boring insects like beetles, ants, and termites. They also consume spiders, caterpillars, and larvae found in tree bark. Woodpeckers are highly adaptable to various environments, from forests to urban areas, and can peck on a variety of surfaces, including wooden houses or metal, which sometimes leads to conflicts with humans. Thanks for tuning in to Exquisite Info TV, where we explore the most fascinating things about nature. If you enjoy learning about woodpeckers today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting wildlife facts. Let us know in the comments what amazing creatures you'd like to see next. See you in the next video, and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.